If you've dropped your VW remote or your car remote into some water, into a river, a dam, the ocean, if you've experienced any moisture damage to the remote and it's no longer working, you can use surgical spirits or rubbing alcohol, some earbuds, and a sharp tool, and you can go ahead and open the device, clean the battery. Keep in mind the battery is probably damaged from the moisture, but clean the battery anyway and test it later. We do this by dipping the earbuds inside the surgical spirits or rubbing alcohol, and we thoroughly clean the battery. We then proceed to clean the remote itself with the earbuds and the alcohol. Be careful not to apply too much liquid to the battery and too much liquid to the remote. The benefit of using the alcohol and the surgical spirits is that it evaporates quite quickly, so it doesn't linger a long time to cause further moisture damage, and at the same time it gets rid of any salt or impurities that is blocking the connections from touching. Now once you drop your car remote, your central locking remote, inside the ocean, a river, a dam, or a swimming pool, there's a big chance of the battery becoming unusable. But it's important to first test the battery to see if you can use it, and if it's not usable, then just replace it after you've cleaned the inside of the remote. Here you can see that we're taking quite a few years of impurities and dirt from the inside, and this sort of dirt is made worse once the remote is immersed inside liquid. So once it's immersed, it spreads to all the connectors and it can cause your remote to stop functioning. So a lot of people will initially put the remote or their smartphone inside a bucket of rice to try and dry it out, and then if it doesn't work after 2 days, they give up and either discard the remote or the mobile device, or they take it to a repairman. Now the funny thing is that most repairmen will actually just use rubbing alcohol or surgical spirits, and they will just clean the inside of your mobile device and your remote and replace the battery, and then it will work again. So I encourage you to actually do this before you take it in for repairs. So at this stage here we can see that the current battery is fried, so we're going to bring in a replacement from the other VW Polo remote. We'll take out the battery from the remote that is working and put it inside the faulty remote, and then we will see that the cleanup did its job, and in fact the old battery was fried, but with the new battery it works as intended. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions.